Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best LED light for your garage. And I'm talking about this one right here. This is very easy to install, very inexpensive, 25 bucks, and it's super bright. Now let me show you what it looks like from the bottom. It has 3 panels, 1, 2, and 3, and these are actually movable. You move them, you bend them in 90 degrees so you can direct the light to different areas of your garage. Very simple to install too. This is the bottom. The bottom looks just like the bottom of a light bulb. You simply insert it into the socket, twist it, and then it's ready to go. So it's that simple. 25 bucks. These are 60 watt and they have an output of 6,000 lumens. So they're very bright. Probably cover a 2 or 3 car garage without a problem. As you can see, these are extremely easy to set up. You just twist it into the light bulb socket and then it's ready to use. You have all 3 panels here, which you can direct in multiple directions to wherever you want to direct that light, but it's super bright and easy to install, just like switching a light bulb. Here's the garage with the LED lights on. I'm going to go ahead and turn them off now, and then I'll turn them back on again. So you can see the difference it makes. It's very bright, 60 watts, 6,000 lumens. There you have it guys. These are the best LED lights I've found. I've had them for the last 6 months and they still work the same as the first day I installed it. So I highly recommend them for the price. It's very inexpensive, 25 bucks. Stick it into the light bulb socket, twist it, and you're ready to go. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link so you can get this, check it out for yourself, and let me know how it goes. The link is below this video. The link is shredded.com/lights. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.